What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going up to Driftland, but I've got a couple of adult-y things that I need to do first. So we're going to go and bust that out, and then I promise we will end up at Driftland and in a car of some sort. We'll not be driving, but in a car of some sort. So yeah, I'm going to bust out these things I need to do, and I'll see you at Driftland. I still love this car so much. Okay, so our first job was to get the helmet from the car at the unit. I left it in there after we'd done drifting. And the second job is I need to go buy some clothes. So we're running to the shops right now so I can buy some jeans and t-shirts and shit. And then we can go to Driftland. Okay, new clothes bought, and I need to get fuel, and then we can finally make our way to Driftland. Craig?
How are you?
Not bad, yourself?
Not bad.
You driving?
Yeah, just out having a play. Having just trying tyre pressures keep going lower and lower and lower.
Going well?
Started at 40 and now went to 30 and now I'm down at 20.
Alright.
Just to see.
Going well?
Yeah, it's a really nice layout. The all outer clips. A lot of oil went down earlier, which kind of sucked. But they got that sorted out, and now it's good.
Getting there?
Yeah.
Right.
Because at the moment there's not much left to do. It's just with this thing, it's kind of, it is what it is. You can't push it. You can't, like, if you fall off the back of somebody when you're chasing them, you can't catch them unless they're similar. But like here today, the cars are.
Yeah, some of the cars are absolutely nuts, aren't they?
There's a lot, mind you. There's a lot of Japanese cars here, which means the track's pretty much empty because most people seem to be overheating and walking down.
Oh well. So that last clip was of Craig who actually drove my S14 a few videos back. I'll put a link down there to his channel. Check it out, there's a lot of great videos. Mostly follows about BDC and stuff, but Sam does his own drifting and it's really quite good content, so I'll link that down below.
Ever since the day that you went away, you've been sending flowers to me, flowers today. Instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your arms again. Flowers to me, flowers today. Instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your arms. Sending flowers to me, send me no flowers today. Instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your arms again. You've been sending flowers to me, send me no flowers today. Instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your arms again. Ever since the day that you went away, ever since the day that you went away, sending, you went away. Ever since the day that you went away, you've been sending flowers to me, flowers today. Instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your arms again. Flowers to me, flowers today. Instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your arms. Sending flowers to me, flowers today. Instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your arms.
So unfortunately, our ride for the day, basically as soon as we arrived, popped a drive shaft. And everyone else I spoke to was either really busy or wanted to concentrate on driving. And I totally understand that, so I didn't want to bother anyone too much. So I just left it, and I thought there's not much else happening. It was a good day. Some of the driving there was excellent, but I thought I would just pass the day. So I don't know if this video is actually going to go out or not, if I might add it on to the start of another video. But yeah, either way, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace guys, bye.